Timbal AI is a platform that claims it can build, deploy, and scale production AI agents, workflows, and interfaces in weeks, not years. All from one stack, replacing your LangChain, your Zapier, and your vector database in a single tool. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what Timbal does, what it actually costs, walking through a real step-by-step build, and giving you my honest final verdict. Let's get into it. So, what is Timbal exactly? The old manual way of building an AI product usually means duct taping together 5 or 6 tools. A framework like LangChain for the agent logic, Zapier or N8N for automation, a vector database like Pinecone for your knowledge base, and something like Streamlit for the front end. That's a lot of glue code and a lot of vendor bills. Timbal's pitch is that you get agents, workflows, knowledge bases, and 100 plus integrations in one platform. And everything you build compiles down to real exportable code you own, not a black box. This is built primarily for developers and technical teams. The site's own FAQ says it's developers for developers. Think engineering, leads, solutions architects, or technical founders who need to ship production-grade AI agents fast. It is not built for total non-coders looking for a drag-and-drop chatbot in 5 minutes. There's a real learning curve if you've never touched a system prompt or SQL before. Let's talk real numbers because Timbal actually has a full tier breakdown now. There's a genuine free plan, €0 forever, no credit card needed, giving you 10,000 credits, 1 admin user, full studio access, and 1 active project. Next up is Creator at €25 a month, jumping to 100,000 monthly credits, unlimited studio projects, an in-studio code editor, and custom domains. Then there's Pro at €99 a month. This is the one Timbal itself flags as recommended. You get 500,000 monthly credits, a lower per credit cost, unlimited knowledge bases, priority email support, and beta feature access. This is clearly the tier they want growing teams to land on. At the top of the self-serve range is Scale at €337 a month, 2 million monthly credits, 3 admin users, dedicated compute, multi-seat access with roles, and priority chat and email support. And for larger orgs, there's a custom enterprise plan, unlimited credits, unlimited admin users, SSO and SCIM provisioning, on-premise or private cloud deployment, and custom SLAs. After signing up, you land on a clean, dark mode dashboard. The sidebar is refreshingly simple: home, projects, knowledge bases, and integrations. The centerpiece is Composer, a natural language prompt box. Describe it. Composer builds it. Instead of manually wiring nodes together like N8N, you type what you want, and Composer builds the underlying agent or workflow for you. Build a knowledge base first, since our agent needs something to reference. Click Knowledge Bases. Upload our sample file. I've prepped a 1-page doc, a fictional company's refund policy and sample FAQs. Before it processes anything, Timbal shows a transparent cost estimate. 1 page estimated 100 to 200 credits. Now build the agent. Back on home, I'll type into Composer, build a support agent that answers customer questions using my product FAQ knowledge base. Composer asks 3 clarifying questions before generating the project, then builds the plan. Review the generated plan. Composer doesn't build blind. It writes a plain English summary of an AI support assistant that answers from the uploaded FAQ. You get 2 choices: keep refining or create project. I'll click Create Project. Composer's build log. This is genuinely impressive. The log shows it writes the agent and automatically runs tests before deployment. Inspect the finished agent. It's running on Claude Sonnet 5 with the knowledge base attached. There's also a web search toggle if you want the agent to go beyond your uploaded documents. Test it live. I'll ask exactly the question from our sample FAQ. Can I get a refund after 30 days? The response correctly pulled the refund policy directly from the uploaded knowledge base, showing that grounding worked as expected. End to end, from typing the first prompt to a working, tested support agent took about 5 minutes. Planning was the longest step, while the final chatbot responses came back in just a few seconds. Ease of use really depends on who you are. The guided composer flow makes getting started approachable, but once you begin customizing prompts and logic, it's clearly a developer focused platform with a noticeable learning curve. Pros: Composer's guided, question based build process cuts down on wasted credits and mismatched builds. Everything exports to real, editable code and prompts. No black box. Genuinely model agnostic, this agent ran on Claude Sonnet 5, but you can swap models per agent. The self testing golden path verification during build is a standout feature. Transparent upfront credit cost estimates before any processing happens. Cons: The jump between tiers is steep. Creators 100,000 credits at 25 euros is reasonable, but Pro nearly quadruples the price to 99 euros for 500,000 credits, which could feel like a big leap if you're not ready to commit at that level yet. Steep learning curve once you go beyond the initial guided build. Customizing agent behavior means editing real system prompts and SQL logic, not clicking toggles. Some enterprise grade features, SOC2 Type 2, for example, are still in progress, not fully certified yet, which matters if you're in a regulated industry. My final verdict on Timbal AI: this is a genuinely impressive consolidation play for developers, technical founders, and engineering teams who are tired of stitching together separate frameworks, automation tools, and vector databases. The composer build flow, the self testing verification, and the exportable code philosophy are real standout strengths. It's not for absolute beginners long term, and the tier jump needs consideration before you commit. But for the right technical audience, this is a genuine time saver that's already thinking about production concerns, like FAQ gap tracking before you even ask for them. I'm giving Timbal AI a 4.2 out of 5. Start on the free 40K credit plan to test your own use case before committing to a paid seat. Thanks for watching this Timbal AI review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to check out this video here, which YouTube thinks may be a good fit for you.